Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch. Disseminate. Verb. Disseminates, disseminated, disseminating, dissemination, disseminator. To distribute information, ideas, or resources broadly to a target audience. For example, the organization works to disseminate health guidelines to rural communities. To scatter or disperse physical elements. Example, seeds, particles, over an area. Example, the machine disseminates fertilizer evenly across the field. Obsolete. To sow or plant seeds, especially in agriculture. Example, 16th century usage to disseminate grain in prepared soil. The organization aims to disseminate accurate information about climate change to the public. Social media platforms have made it easier to disseminate fake news rapidly. Researchers disseminate their findings through peer-reviewed journals and conferences. The government launched a campaign to disseminate awareness about vaccination benefits. Teachers play a crucial role in disseminating knowledge to students. The report was disseminated to all stakeholders before the meeting. Once the data is disseminated, it can be analyzed by other scientists. The news of the merger was disseminated via press release. Disseminating confidential information without permission is unethical. The process of disseminating research takes time and careful planning. The dissemination of propaganda during wartime is a common tactic. Effective dissemination of policies ensures smooth implementation. The journal focuses on the dissemination of groundbreaking scientific discoveries. Key tips for test takers, TOEFL, SAT, GRE, GMAT, usage and importance. Disseminate is a high-utility academic verb frequently tested in synonym or analogy questions. For example, disseminate versus circulate versus withhold. It often appears in passages about research, media, or communication, GRE or GMAT reading comprehension. Likely question formats, synonym selection. Which word is closest in meaning to disseminate? Options: circulate, suppress, condense, distort. Answer: circulate. Analogies. Disseminate is to information as irrigate is to water. Relationship: to spread information or water systematically. Sentence completion. The NGO's primary goal is to blank vital health guidelines to rural communities. Answer: disseminate. Common confusables. Disseminate versus disperse. The former implies spreading information or ideas. The latter refers to physical scattering, for example, crowd, particles. Disseminate versus withhold. Antonyms. Disseminate means to spread. Withhold means to retain. Dissemination versus distribution. The former is often abstract, knowledge. The latter is concrete, goods. Relevant idioms or proverbs. Knowledge is power, but its dissemination is empowerment. Relevant for GRE essay prompts on education or society. A lie can travel halfway around the world while the truth is putting on its shoes. Illustrates rapid dissemination of misinformation. Test-taking strategies. In reading comprehension, note disseminates context. Is it neutral, sharing facts, or negative, spreading rumors? For synonym questions, eliminate words with opposing connotations. Example, suppress or hoard.